6 Common Budgeting Mistakes in House Construction. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing some of the most common budgeting mistakes people make during in-house construction building. Your dream home is an exciting journey, but it's essential to avoid these pitfalls to stay within your budget. Number 1. Underestimating costs. One of the most significant budgeting mistakes is underestimating costs. Many homeowners tend to overlook certain expenses such as permits, utility connections, and unexpected construction delays. These can quickly add up and put a strain on your finances. Number 2. Ignoring detailed planning. Skipping the detailed planning phase can lead to costly changes during construction. Ensure you have a clear vision of your project, get accurate measurements, and consult professionals to avoid unnecessary modifications later on. Number 3. Not researching contractors. Hiring the wrong contractor can be disastrous for your budget. Always do thorough research, read reviews, and ask for references before choosing a contractor. A reliable professional will not only save you money, but also ensure high-quality workmanship. Number 4. Cutting corners on materials. It can be tempting to save money by opting for cheaper materials, but this can backfire in the long run. Low-quality materials may lead to frequent repairs and replacements, ultimately costing you more. Invest in durable materials that will stand the test of time. Number 5. Overlooking energy efficiency. Energy-efficient features might have a higher upfront cost, but they significantly reduce utility bills in the long term. Don't overlook options like insulation, energy-efficient windows, and energy-saving appliances. They can save you money and benefit the environment. Number 6. Failing to account for contingencies. Always set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Construction projects can have surprises like hidden structural issues or design changes. Having a safety net will prevent you from going over budget. Remember to plan meticulously, research contractors, invest in quality materials, and have a contingency fund ready by being proactive and making informed decisions. You can make your dream home a reality without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy building!